Good morning everyone. Today I am going to show you how to bookmark and print a web page. If you remember well from the last lesson, a bookmark is a way of telling the computer to remember the URL of a particular site so that you can go back to it anytime. Today I am going to show you how to do it. The first step that we need to do is to open Internet Explorer. You can do this by either clicking on it from your desktop or else search from it from the start menu. I will open it from my desktop. Now let's say we want to bookmark a web page about games, say for example Miniclip. What we need to do is type in www.miniclip.com in the address bar. And press enter. Now, to bookmark the page, what we need to do is click on favorites from the menu bar. Press on it to favorites, give it a name, say for example Miniclip Games, and click on add. If you go back again on favorites, now you can see that the page was added, as you can see over here. To make sure that the page stays there, let's close and open again Internet Explorer. If you click on favorites, you can see that the page is still there. To access it, simply click on it. The next step that we need to do is to prepare the page to print it. Printing a web page contains several features, such as orientation, size, margins, and also which part to be printed. Let's begin by setting the orientation of the page. To do this, click on File from the menu bar. Press on Page Setup, and if you can see, the page to be printed is currently in a portrait style. To change it from portrait to landscape, simply click on Landscape and press OK. Now, let's move on to the paper size, which refers to the kind of paper we would like our worksheet to be printed on. To change the paper size, click on File, Page Setup, and if you can see, the paper size is set to letter. To change it, for example, from letter to A4, simply choose A4 from the menu and press OK. Now, let's move on to margins. The margins determine the blank spaces between the paper, the data and the printed page. The margins include the left, right, top and bottom. To change the margins of a web page, click on File from the menu bar. Click on Page Setup and adjust the margins to the size that you wish. For example, left we make it 19.50, right we make it 19.6, top we make it 19.15, and bottom we make it 19.25, and press OK.